Hello everyone. Today we will know about Anulom Vilom Pranayam and Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. They are the most important pranayam among all the pranayams. At first mudras, in Gyan Mudra, thumb tip touches to the tip of the forefinger. Now in Pranav Mudra, forefinger and middle finger are folded together. The ring finger and little finger are joined together. We will do pranayam with Pranav Mudra. The other hand will be in the Gyan Mudra position. Sit comfortably, make Pranav Mudra, bring the thumb to the right nostril, breathe in from the left nostril, close the left nostril, breathe out from the right nostril. Again, breathe in from the right nostril and breathe out from the left nostril. This way we will continue. Breathe from the left nostril, close the left nostril and breathe out from the right nostril. Breathe in from the right nostril, close the right nostril and breathe out from the left nostril. Again, breathe in from the left nostril, slowly and deeply, and after that, close the left nostril and breathe out from the right nostril. In this way, we will continue Anulom Vilom Pranayama till 5 to 15 minutes or according to our capacity and convenience. This Anulom Vilom Pranayama can be done with slow, medium or fast speed of breathing. The best time of doing this pranayam is early in the morning. After completing the pranayam, we do palming on our eyes. We rub our hands, make our palm warm and bring our hands to our eyes and gently bring our hands down. Again we do it. We rub our hands, make our palms warm, bring it to our eyes and slowly bring our hands and touch to our body. And now we will do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. It is similar to Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Sit comfortably. Make the Pranav Mudra. Breathe in from the left nostril and hold the breath. This is called Kumbhak. You can do Kumbhak in Jalandhar Bandh, that is locking your chin to the neck. Hold the breath according to your capacity. After that, breathe out from the right nostril. Again, breathe in from the right nostril, close the right nostril, hold the breath inside according to your capacity. All have different capacity of holding the breath. Now, breathe out from the left nostril. In this way, we will continue the Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Breathing inside is called Purak. Holding the breath inside is called Antarkumbhak. And breathing out is called Rechak. Ideal ratio of doing Nadi Shodhan Pranayam is 1:4:2. It means if you breathe in 5 seconds, you have to hold the breath for the 20 seconds and you have to breathe out in 10 seconds. All the three dosha, Vata, Pitta and Kapha get balanced by this pranayama. Thus, it has in removing diseases related to Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These pranayamas helps in curing the diseases related to lungs, heart, brain and digestion. Our immunity gets increased. All the physical and mental disorders and abnormalities can be cured by these pranayamas. While doing this pranayam, our head, neck and back should be in one line. Our mind should be thoughtless. We should feel peacefulness and lightness in the body. If you are doing this pranayam inside your room, then your windows should be open. There should be cross ventilation. In starting, you should do it for few minutes. After some time, you can gradually increase the time. For getting full benefit of the pranayama, you should take Sattvic Ahar. In the end of the pranayam, you will do the palming on your eyes. You will rub your both the hands. You will make your palms warm. And after that, you will bring your hands on your eyes. Gently bring your hands down. And again rub your hands. Make your palms warm. Again bring it to your eyes. Gently bring your hands down, touch to your body, and you complete your pranayam. Now the benefits. The face becomes bright and luminous. Mind becomes stable and calm. It has the capacity of clearing all the nerves and nadis, which makes the body healthy. It cures diseases like cold, cataract, sinus, gout, etc. It cures heart diseases. Blockages in the arteries of the heart are removed. Negative thinking is replaced by the positive approach of the life. In short, the pranayama has the effect of cleansing the body and mind and cures almost all the diseases. So, friends, it is over. Goodbye. Have a nice day.